Good morning, my dear students. Students, we are taking our fifth unit, part number. We are at the end of our chapter. There are four more questions to solve. Here, first we discussing fraction and division. This is the only section that we need to solve. When 2 meters is divided into 3 equal parts, the length of each piece is written as 2 by 3. Total divided by how many parts? When 3-meter length is divided into 2 equal parts, the length is usually written as 1 by 2. Okay, that is 1 by 2 we get by 3 divided by 2. We express it in mixed fraction form. As in the first case, we can also write this as 3 by 2 meters. That is 3 by 2 is equal to 1.5. Likewise, if 5 is divided into 2 equal parts, each can be written as 5 by 2. Then, in fact, if 5 liters of milk is divided equally between 2 persons, how many liters of milk would each get? 5 by 2 can be expressed in mixed fraction as 1 by 2. So, if 9 is divided into 4 equal parts, how can each part be written? Yes, 9 by 4. In mixed fraction, it is expressed as 1 by 4. And look, now another question. If a 6-meter long string is cut into 2 equal parts, what would be the length of each piece? From our earlier question, we know that total divided by number of parts, that is 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. Here, we get a natural number. We usually write 6 by 2 for dividing 6 into 2 equal parts. That is, 6 by 2 means 6 divided by 2. Both are same. Result in 3. Similarly, 6 by 3 means 6 divided by 3, which is equal to 2. What about cutting a 6-meter long string into 6 equal parts? The length of each piece is 6 by 6. That is 6 divided by 6, which is equal to 1. If 5 divided by 5 also gives 1, same number divided by the number itself, the answer should be 1 itself. How do we split 7 by 3? From our early session, we know that 7 by 3 means 7 divided by 3. We get 1 by 3. That is, by dividing 7 by 3, we get 2 as our result and 1 remainder 3, which is the number which we divide. Okay, like this, write each fraction below in the form of a natural number and a fraction. How can we express this? This is our questions. We want to express this in number form and fraction. When we divide 2 by 17 by 2 is written as 17 divided by 2. We know that 8 2s are 16. Then the remainder is 1. So it is expressed as 8 1 by 2. Look here, if our result is correct, 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 1, 17. Same as here, without dividing we can express. The nearest multiple for 17 is 5. 5 3s are 15. Okay, then put the number here as a denominator. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. Next, nearest multiple for 4, it's 1 itself. 4 4s are 16. So, 4 as our natural answer part and 1 as our remainder. 4 into 4, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. We get here. Okay, then this one. 17 5. Nearest multiple is 15. That is 3. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. Okay, next one 6 17 divided by 6. Nearest multiple is 12. That is 2. Put the number same here. 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. And here 18. 6 divided by 18. 3 itself. 6 into 3 is 18. Okay. This is our result. This is my first question. If 7 meter of cloth is divided equally among 4 persons, how many meters of cloth would each get? There is total cloth is 7 meter and there are total person is 4 person. There are 4 persons. Okay. There are 4 persons and total length of cloth piece is 7 meter. We want to find out how many meters of cloth would each get. Here each get 7 by 4 meters of cloth. Okay, 7 by 4. If we need to express this in mixed fraction, just divide 7 by 4. 1 4s are 4, remaining is 3. Then the answer should be 1 3 by 4 meter. That is 1 meter and quarter piece of cloth is needed for one student. Okay, this is my first problem. This is my second question. If 34 rupees is divided equally among 4 persons, how many rupees would each get? How do we write in rupee and in paise? There are 34 students in all. 34 rupees in all and there are 4 persons. Divide by 4. We get 8 into 4 32, remaining is 2. That is one student or one person get 8 to buy 4 rupees. 8 to buy 4 rupees means 8 rupees. And the fraction 2 by 4. 2 by 4 can be expressed as 1 by 2. 2 and 4. There is 2 common. So we can cancel from that 2. That is 1 by 2 paise. 1 by 2 paise means, yes, 50 paise. 8 rupees and 50 paise. This is the amount that one student get there. This is your homework. Riyaz, Rajesh and Ragesh bought 4 cakes and divided these equally among them. Ragesh took his share first. Draw a picture of the remaining. Then Riyaz also took his share. Draw a picture of the remaining. You want to draw pictures of the figures of cake that are given in 2 situations. First, whenever Ragesh took his share, you want to draw the remaining figure, and again Riyaz took his share. Then what about the next picture?